guys, how you guys doing? Wow, what's a funny time like this? We're working again to talk about what wonderful things in Excel. Here's a boy again, Goodness in Goody Man Shows, and now we're here to give you another bombing shell, which is known as what performance sales analysis work with Excel. You're gonna love this. You're gonna like this. In fact, you're gonna use this. Okay, now let's move on to what we have today. Now, performance analysis Excel, what does it mean? Let's see. Let's jump right in, man. Let's jump right in. Now, what is sales analysis? Sales analysis is the process of what understanding how your business performs in terms of sales or the calculation of the profit and loss in your business daily operation. Can you imagine that? You being able to what to use sales analysis in your business is what is top notch. Maybe a sales personnel who can tell it's going to be useful. Now, some basic terms: price and cost. Price is the amount a particular product is being sold at. Cost is the amount that is spent in manufacturing one product. Yes. Now, what is sales revenue and cost incurred? Sales revenue is the money realized from selling a large quantity of goods. Large quantity. Now, cost incurred is the money that the company spend in making that same large quantity of goods. So sales revenue is what the money we get from selling the manufactured goods, while cost incurred is the money we use in making the manufactured goods. Next, we go on to talk about what profit and loss. These are the kings and queens in the game. It is the money gained from selling a product after deducting the expenses. That is your profit. It is the money gained from selling a product after deducting what the expenses. Loss. It is the money lost from selling a product if there are loss or damages. Now, let's dive into the right deal. Okay, guys, back one more time again. Yeah, we are good live on Goody Man Show with Goodness as a boy, dishing it out as hot as it may be. Now, Goody Man Limited is a company, and this is a sales record for 5 years straight up. Now, this comment is simple, but we're going to use it to what? Understand simple steps in what sales analysis. So to take away the fear, sales analysis is not what you should be afraid of. In fact, what should be embracing, because for sales, it helps you make the money. To make money, you have to what? Be good, you know how to calculate your sales. And simple knowledge of sales what can turn your life what around. Now, this year, we talk about 5 years in this Good Demand Limited. This is a sales record. Talk about the quantity, talk about the price performed, talk about the cost performed, talk about the sales revenue, talk about the cost incurred, and most especially talk about the profit and loss. Now, this company makes sales, they sell foam. So they bring interval, they sell foam. So they sell foam throughout a period of 5 years. We gather them up and want to know how they did in the market and how they do. Every data you see here have been predefined, have been given to you to understand what the analysis is all about. Our first calculation will be on sales revenue. Sales revenue. Now, sales revenue is what will be gotten by multiplying the price per foam by the quantity. So this is going to be price per foam multiplied. Shift number 8, you all know that, multiplied by the quantity. So if you press enter, bam, that is the price per foam. Together, that is the price per foam. Now, next, we're going to find for other years. So we're going to come to the copy handle. Left click, hold it, then drag over. It will give you the calculation for every other year. Okay, and that is cool. I like Excel for that. Now, next we're going to talk about what cost incurred. What is the cost incurred by the company? You understand? The company had some loss, yes, and that loss is added to the cost in manufacturing. Okay. So now for 2001, to calculate it, it's equal to cost incurred will be cost per foam multiplied by that same quantity. Because the sales record showed that they didn't go short of selling all the foams. So whatever they got, whatever they manufactured, they sold. So this is the cost incurred. So for 2001, the cost incurred was about $101,500,000. Good. Then when you go to the copy handle and you left click and drag, it gives you the solving solution for the cost incurred for other years from 2002 to 2005. Okay, now back to the big guy in the game, profit and loss. Guys, please pay attention. Your sales and your costs, your sales revenue and your cost incurred doesn't actually tell you whether you are making a profit or loss. Now you have to apply another method to actually get this calculation right. profit or loss can be gotten what? By subtracting your sales revenue, this sales revenue here, this guy, this sales revenue from your cost what incurred. Okay, let's go that equal to sales revenue, this guy, minus, okay, do the man gonna be maybe difference whatsoever, cost incurred. Wow, you see that? Finally, we have gotten the sales, the profit, or the loss margin, depending on depends on what I'm going to determine later. Okay, so now let's drag this copy hand over and see what we've got. Okay, good. Wow, you see that this says is shining red because the reason there is states that when this negative comes up, let this thing show what red. Now, let's just put the highlights in the gray one greater than 0. Let us make it gray. Okay. So you see now, those ones that have what the green are the ones that are what are the what producing side, are the profit generating region. Why the one is green? Why the one that is red is the loss what region? Yes, I'll come over here just to put some borders. Okay, so you see it now. The ones the green section, let me put this on the center, good. The ones, and let me take this one up in the middle, perfect. And the ones in green telling us that the company made profits, though they are not the same value, but it was telling us that the company made what profits, yes. But the one red is telling that the company was made what loss. So guys, thank you for staying up to this time. Thank you for sticking out your ears, your hands, your heart to pick up this information. And we love to hear from you. Dig in the comment section below. Any concept you didn't understand, any concept you didn't grab effectively, let me know. Chat me up. See, just chat me up in the comment section below. I'll put in my number for you to contact me on WhatsApp and tell me your challenges. Even be able to reach out to me, and I'll be there to help you. So don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends and get rid of the sales fear out of you. We will come here with more content on business and sales, even more tools that can help you work effectively in your office. So do have a nice day and bye bye. Thank you.